let's talk about your food scale. So counting calories is already a difficult task as it is. However, using tools that we have at our disposal can really help be all the difference. This whole time you might have thought that a palm of rice measured from your hand was 1 cup, but in reality it could be 3 cups. So a food scale is important for many reasons. Calories are just a general estimation. What you see on the nutrition facts label isn't exactly 100% accurate. We're trying to get as close to accurate as we can through regular consistency, but small mistakes compounded can set your diet way off. So we're going to use these tools to get a hang of measuring, and after a while we're likely going to develop a habit and a skill to naturally adjust to portions and sizes, allowing us to be able to even eat out on occasions. It would be very annoying if we had to drag along our food scale and bring it to every venue that we went to. So the goal here is to coach you through this so that you may be healthy for the rest of your life. So how do you choose the right scale for you? There's going to be a plethora of brands and designs that you can choose from. Ultimately, for the most part, they're going to all do the same thing. Perhaps the more expensive ones are going to display some extra information. You can use it. However, for our purposes, it's not required. So as long as you read the results on the scale display and be able to weigh the foods that you're eating, then you're good to go. So remember, we're taking the guesswork out of nutrition. We're not going to wing it. There's no winging it here. All right, make sure you're using the same metrics every time. So for example, if your plan has 6 ounces of chicken on it, don't use the grams measurement, and vice versa. Typically, we're going to try to weigh our foods after it's been cooked. After it's been cooked. With the exception of being some foods that will be listed on your meal plan and meal plan notes. So it'll specifically say, measure dry. All right, the weight of food can vary and fluctuate before and after it is raw and cooked. That's why we do that. So this process is going to be somewhat difficult at first, but embrace it, as this is a skill that's going to be highly beneficial to your overall health in the long run. Honestly, I believe that it's a skill that everyone should be regularly required to understand. I mean, we eat food every day, don't we? Yet so many of us still don't know what nutrition labels and calories mean. And don't worry, you're still going to enjoy the foods you love. We're just going to be wise about it. And now we're going to make the right decisions. So personally, I like digital scales. They're simple. We can find it at most department stores for less than $20. What we would like to make sure of is that we can measure in both ounces, which is abbreviated as OZ, and grams, which is abbreviated usually as G or GM. All right, so we're going to refer to some of the links on the PDF included with this program. And now that we have an understanding of how important our food scales will be, let's get that done, picked up, ordered, and then we can move on to our next video. So we'll see you there.